So you received a letter in the mail from some company called Ferry and Nicholas, and at the address it'll say something like Tuscaloosa and Pennsylvania, and they're saying, hey, you've been sued. And you're going, I have no idea I've been sued. But this letter says you've been sued, and we are a non-lawyer mediation firm. I don't even know what that is, but that's what they say they are. And we'll be happy to help you. So do you call these guys? Do you give them your money? Because I will say this about them. It's about the only positive thing I'll say about them. If they send you a letter, then they truly believe you've been served, or you've been sued. Now, you may have been served, but normally what these guys do is you get sued on this day, the very next day, they send the letter out. Now, you could be served that day where you're handed the lawsuit papers, or it might be a week later or a month later. But at least in the court records, it appears you've been sued if you're getting a letter from Ferry and Nicholas. Now, should you hire them? Well, here's how I'd look at it. Are you in a legal situation? Yeah, you've been sued. Is somebody suing you trying to get a judgment against you? Absolutely. If they get a judgment against you, are they going to garnish your wages, garnish your bank account? In other words, just reach in and grab the money out of your bank account? Are they going to try and sell your property? Absolutely. So does it make sense to reach out to a non-lawyer, supposedly mediation firm, and have them handle this for you? I'll tell you what the reports we get back are. You call them and they say, don't worry about the deadline to answer. We'll take care of it. We have a great relationship with this debt collector, and you just don't worry about it. You go, well, but it says here I've got to answer in time. They go, oh, no, you don't worry about that. We've got it. And then you get a judgment against you because you don't answer in time. You call them up, they go, whoa. We are not a law firm. We can't go to court for you. We can't help you with this. You should have answered. You're like, yeah, that's what you told me not to answer. They go, well, sorry, best wishes. We're pulling for you. Well, let me say this. If you want to pay the debt collector some money, do it on your own. You have 5 options when you're sued. File bankruptcy. You can fight it on your own. That's often a very good choice. Settle it on your own? Not so much. But if you're going to pay them money, you can do just as well, if not better, by picking up the phone, calling the collection lawyer, and working it out. Now, I'll say this. Those 5 options. Bankruptcy, that's very, very rare. Fight it on your own. That can be a good choice. Settle it on your own. Very rare. Hire a lawyer to fight it. Hire a lawyer to settle it. We go through these options in great detail in other videos and articles. But I'll just say this. For most people, if you've been sued by a debt collector, what it comes down to is fight it on your own or hire us, and we'll be happy to handle it for you. One of those options is not go to a non-lawyer firm and let them do legal work for you, because they'll mess it up. And then when they mess it up, they say, well, we're not lawyers. Well, that's exactly right. I don't think they should be sending these letters in the first place. When you're in the middle of a lawsuit and they say, oh, we'll negotiate with the collection lawyer for you, and we'll advise you on should you file an answer, not file it. That sounds like legal work to me. And look, if they were doing a good job, then you might say, well, I don't care if they're doing the unauthorized practice of law. But when I hear from people, it's because they've gotten themselves in a huge bind with this. And just besides that, you can handle this on your own. If you want to pay them money, pay the debt collector the money directly. Don't go through some mediation firm. But for most people, you're better off fighting it on your own or hiring us. And we'll be more than happy to walk you through your options. You live in the state of Alabama, you give us a call, 205-879-2447, or you can reach us through alabamaconsumer.com. We have all sorts of resources, online resources. We can mail you out a package, DVD, articles, all this information to help you to decide, is this something I want to handle on my own, or should I get some help? And a lot of times we tell people, you don't need us. But I can tell you this, you certainly don't need to hire Ferry and Nicholas. So hope this is helpful. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow, and appreciate you watching this video. Okay, bye-bye.